Greetings. This is Bob Grinchick with Barter Business Cooperative, coming to you here from the offices of the Barter Business Cooperative and Integrity Group for Referrals, our sister organization. And I'm here today demonstrating how to process a barter trade transaction through the EValues platform. If you will, please join us on an EValues platform at www.bbcoop.us. That's bbcoop.us. And you'll find our platform for the EValues Network. If you will, I'm going to share my screen and we'll go straight there to the EValues Network and hopefully make this very sensible to you. Here I am logged in to the EValues Network, and we're actually at authorizing a sale. I am logged into the demo account for the purpose of demonstrating this, and I've actually pulled up as a buyer the UBizme account, which is the parent company. We have an available balance to make a trade, and the system prompts us for a value here, the total amount of sale. We're going to put in here $100 to demonstrate this. It actually pulls up a second field, cash amount to collect. Notice that the cash amount to collect has 100% cash blend amount. Therefore, $100 is showing in that field. The system is automatically programmed to do a cash trade blend. You actually need to override the amount that you would be collecting in cash, if any. In this case, for the demonstration, I'm going to say that we are collecting $20 cash. Now, this amount is actually only a function to calculate transaction fees on this trade transaction. As you see in the third field is amount to authorize. It is calculated automatically. So if we are collecting $20, whether that be a cash put in PayPal or some other means of collecting a cash amount, we are only moving $80 of the total amount of the sale out of the trade account, in this case from the buyer UBizme, and our demo account. All then I could do is override this memo and put some kind of description, editing what it is that we are providing services for. And in the case of this demo account, it defaults to just barter and trade exchange. I would hit submit. It gives me a message says, are you sure to process this authorization for $80 from the UBizme account to the BBC demo account? I would click yes. And right now, this demo account is just set up for demonstration purposes. It is not going to allow me to go through. I will click yes, and you'll see what actually occurs here. But I believe that nothing is allowed for the purposes of demonstration, but simply viewing for the benefit of prospective members. Let's see what it tells me. If it does actually process, I've got to do something in reprogramming. It does actually move some amount there. And now, as I look at our account and active material, we can go here to active, and I will take this opportunity to actually also process a reversal of that same transaction. But we'll go here and look at my activity account. We just processed this sale for $80, and now that has actually been done. And I'm now going to just go back to the same place and reverse this same transaction so that you can actually see how this works. We'll go ahead, pull up the name, and I know what that account number is. This is the buyer. And it's going to ask me actually in the prompt when you see this whether this is a sale or a reversal. I'm going to click reversal and I'll actually pull up the last transaction between, the last transaction that happened between these two entities. And I am set up just like you would be a credit card merchant account. And in this case, it's going to allow me to pull up this last transaction. And I'll even put here for demonstration purposes. So now that we've actually submitted this, reverse an authorization, this is within the hands of the seller to both process a trade as well as to reverse that trade. And of course, your broker can actually do so too if there's any need of help in processing trade. But we appreciate your attention on this matter, and you have a wonderful, happy trading day. There we go. Stop this.